What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. We ain't kicking no asphalt tonight. We kicking dirt with the Texas boy, Kaden Honeycutt, down here at Senoia Speedway. Was up at Ace Speedway last night where he won the Pro Late Model Pole for the Cars Tour. So they in Georgia. They wanted me to come down, so I said, shoot, yeah, it ain't but about an hour and a half. So that's where we came on down. Me and old Fredo came on down. Him and Jessica invited us down. They always a good time. So I'm going here and try to convince him to hurry up and then propose to her. That way we can have some Texas barbecue, but we'll get into that later. First off, let's get in here to 3/8 mile oval Senoia Speedway.
I don't think so, no, actually.
How do you put it?
Jessica, it's like a damn icebox in here.
Mm-hmm.
What's the price tag on this truck?
36.
36,000. It could be yours. Where's this trailer located at? I mean, we in Georgia now, but is it in Texas, North Carolina?
Texas, Aledo.
This thing's going down. Have a corner.
Look at the mud clogs at the front of it, down there at the bottom of the radiator.
So you have like compound 3 and
Harder,
compound 4.
softer, and in between.
Yeah, and then they have different groups. So if you see that one, it has the groups are going all the way like across, and then the side because there's like a little machine that has needles in it, and it makes it go. They'll get little lines to relieve the air, like the hard air pressure that's in it.
And they cut them.
Yeah, if you look.
Alright, well, we got heat race 1. Gonna start 7th. Not where we wanted to be at, but we ain't come here 14 hours away. Huh?
How many tractors?
4. So
4 out the first heat.
if we can get to 4th, that'd be fantastic. When we get to 5th, that will put us on the front row for a beat.
Starting what, 24 cars?
Starting, I think Huntin front does 26.
26? How many's
Yeah.
here?
42. 42
It's gonna
make
be a
it.
good bit. Go
Yeah, there's like, I think they'll have 4 provisionals doing points, promoters choice, and stuff like that. So we'll just try to make it in without having any of that come in.
Exactly. Man,
Yeah.
you got enough patches on here. Xfinity.
I know it.
mean,
This
trucks,
is-
Cars
this-
Tour.
This is what I had this last year, and I was going to run some Xfinity stuff, and this was just going to be my combo suit when I ran 4 different types of cars and 4 different teams in the same in NASCAR. So yeah, but this is a little run around. So.
Talk about last night, man. I thought you was, hey, with 10 to go, I said, this Joker done, hey, he saved it and he going to
Yeah, I know it, man. I got a little worried about like 46 when we had that caution. I had a really bad brake drag of losing brakes, and I had to do what I could. I could take off after the restart, but once I got to Tristan, I was actually losing them more and more. And as soon as I passed Tristan is when I lost it. I went straight to the floor, and I just had to pump them up as much as I could to even run second. So I cannot complain. That was our first race with that team, so I was really excited to carry it for the rest of the year, for sure.
A tenth was the difference between me and 7th from 3rd.
You can get there.
Don't be bashful in the start.
I'm the one at
the power.
Thing about this, when it rains, it don't matter if you get it.
Fred, you guys are wet.
You get fucking wet. So cute.
Done knocked the power out on the racetrack.
Yeah.
Damn, when it came down, it came.
I got it on. I mean the left rear.
Take it away. Overhead. Over it. Yeah, sorry.
Turn around. Y'all wait just a minute.
Yes, it's Saturday. You're supposed to take a shower, but not at the racetrack.
I mean, I still a little dirty.
Oh, got dirt washed off of it.
Yeah? We're planting.
They're just stuck here. Nobody's moving.
Oh, we're good. I mean, at this point, we're great.
Kaden, let's go ahead and get that post-race interview in. We're soaked in the trailer.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa. It's too damn bad. Man, downpoured. I felt that gust of wind, and yeah, it was going to come
Texas
down hard. Yeah, that was a Texas tornado coming through here. But
Texas
Everybody's going as far as they can go.
We might be better off walking.
yeah, man, I really wish we had a little better race car, but I don't know. Thought we were really good last time we came here, but I got a lot of stuff to work on. But thankful that y'all came and went from kicking asphalt to kicking dirt.
Yeah, we got wet. Now we're kicking soap.
And then kicking water. So,
I need some new shoes, guys. They turn red.
Yeah, but
What's next, Kaden?
we're gonna go. What is next?
Milwaukee.
Yeah, Milwaukee.
In the truck.
I got Milwaukee in the truck. Made the owners playoffs, so we're gonna try and win a owners championship.
Let you out.
$10 if I do a dirt angel. No, I'm just kidding. I ain't doing-
$20.
No, I ain't doing-
Right there.
no, I ain't doing that. That looks like Bobby McCarty's throw up from last night.
Oh, too early, too soon.
Too soon. Man is old. You gotta let him be.
Good now. Shrek is all right.
Was it that bad?
Yeah, it was that bad.
Pretty bad.
It wasn't as watery. It was a little more chunkier.
I have to say that.
Because of chicken. Tell them about chicken.
It's that damn chicken. I'm telling you, people don't know this, but I'm telling you, I ate chicken for 3 straight dirt weeks. I wrecked all 3 times. The next time I came back, ate beef, won the race.
Tell Bobby. No more damn
No more chicken. I've known, me and him been teammates since the Nelson days. And Triplet, Marcus, all of them didn't believe me. And DJ, Jeff, every single one of them. And they broke at Franklin County. I told them that. And they broke on like, what, 40 or something like that. And here I go up to second and finish second.
Because you ate beef.
Just ate beef. And I didn't eat chicken. I don't even think I ate that night.
All I know is I need $100 from Bobby McCarty because I tried to clean his helmet and I touched his throw up. That's it. I need $100.
Or him to answer the phone. It look like the night is over with. We're about to hike it because there is 47 million people trying to get out of here at one time. We're going to carry this thing on back.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Just one of you. Somebody pop up.
I'll do it.
Go for it.
From the KHR Desk Guy, like, comment, and subscribe.
Go buy merch at Kickin' Asphalt.